Hello everyone and welcome to another simplified recipe. Today we're making a Middle Eastern recipe. It's going to be juicy, it's going to be delicious, so let's grab all the ingredients and start making kebabs. We are going to need 1 pound of ground meat, a bunch of parsley, a little bit of oregano, 1 potato, half an onion, 1 garlic clove, and some black pepper. First, we are going to grab the potato, peel it, and then grate it on the smallest size. Next, let's grab the onion and do the exact same thing. We are going to peel the garlic clove and then grate it as well. After we are done grating the potato, the onion and the garlic, let's grab the parsley and mince it really fine. Now that we have all the ingredients ready, let's combine them together in a glass bowl. Add the ground meat, the ground onion, the ground potato, the ground garlic, the minced parsley, the oregano, some salt, and some black pepper. Mix them really well together, and now let's grab a skewer to shape our kebabs. Surprisingly enough, I didn't have a skewer, so I'm using a chopstick. After we are done shaping the kebab on the skewer, let's remove it and prepare the next. Let's heat up some olive oil in a pan and then place the kebabs in it. The kebabs are going to take about 15 minutes to be done, and you should flip them at least every 2 minutes. If you do have a grill, I would highly recommend you cook them there because they become more delicious. The kebabs are perfectly cooked when they have this dark brownish color. And that's how you make kebabs. You can eat them with french fries, you can eat them with rice, or you can eat them just as they are. But if you did like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe below, and I'll see you on the next video.